recently. And what you have to do is, it's kind of like the Wizard of Oz game where you send a coin, try to get it through there, and then it spits out more coins, and you have to try to collect these cards. And if you collect all the cards, then you get 3,000 tickets. Or if you collect one, you get 50. But I think there's what, 3, 6, 9 cards. So Nolan's gonna try first. Yeah, we'll see how well he does.
There you go.
There you go. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's addicting too. Oh, come on, get 15. 8? Oh, I've never gotten 8 before. Nice. Still nothing. Oh, I got a card.
You got a card.
Oh. If I knock that over, it's gonna push over a bunch. Yeah, I saw that.
Oh, nice.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh,
Nice.
Got credit.
There. Oh my gosh, no. Yes, got Patrick. Sweet. We got him. Alright, I think that's about it. I got a Patrick, which is pretty cool. I'll wait till maybe those move up or something, I'm not sure yet. Alright, what's going on, guys? We're going to be playing Milk Jug Toss. It's a pretty cool arcade game. No one's trying it. So far he's
kind of failing.
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, he's going for the backboard. Oh, wow. And
250. Alright, let's see.
Just like that.
So close. 300, 300, 300. 50. Oh, nice.
It's kind of hard. Trying to hit it on the back. Oh, there you go. Nice. at the flick of that wrist. That's it. Alright guys, we're going to be playing Dave & Buster's, the big one. That's also the name for my big toe. You guys didn't know that already.
Does it look good?
Go that way more.
To back?
Yeah. And then go right a little bit. Yeah, so it doesn't stab anything. That should be good, yeah.
What? Just balance on. I swear to God, I don't get this.
Oh, no, wait, stab off.
Stab. Oh, it's stabbed.
Oh, it's stabbed right at the fin. Oh, ooh.
Should I do it one more time?
Yeah, try one more time. So go that way. Oh, you hit it.
That's gonna be hard.
That looks good. That looks perfect. You got that. Oh.
Stuck it.
Yeah, they wiped its tail. Alright.
This game's so hard.
Oh, stupid.
Gotta give it a shot.
Frickin' A.
Let's see what we do on this one.
You go for the jackpot, don't you?
Yeah, I typically do.
So hit it right.
Kinda close.
If you hit it right now. Yeah, there we go. Mystery.
How many balls do I have left?
I think that's it.
I think so, maybe.
You got 6.
I got the jackpot.
Right as I was recording.
Yeah.
Did you actually hit it or did it bounce in?
It bounced right in. Well,
nice.
It's hit right in. So I got 108 seconds on that one.
It usually gives you more than 108. Watch.
Oh, hey, I got 140, 50.
Yeah. It's always
Probably
generous.
200. Yeah, 200 and...
What's going on, guys? We're going to be playing Kung Fu Panda's Dojo Mojo. And I'm good at this game already because I'm Asian.
Go ahead, Panda. Let's get started.
Oh, perfect. Oh, nice.
Attention all Daybusters guests. Can I get Hayden to return back to your table once again? Hayden, can you please return to meet the rest of your party back to your table? Thank you.
Oh, hey, you did it. You did it. You did it the secondary time.
Oh my god. I'm playing this again.
Quick swipe.
I did not think I was going to win.
I didn't think so
This one's
either.
not red.
Oh, sorry. That one's red. They gave you an extra one.
Right.